Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you. The Lord said, rest your head. Be peaceful and be still. It is me, Jesus Christ, talking to this mouth. I want you to be renewed. Renew your mindset. I will give you a sort of peace. I'll make your thoughts clean. I'll give you a peaceful thoughts. Rest your head. Do not fear. Do not worry. Be set free from that kind of bondage. Be renewed in your mind. Be calm. Be truthful in my ways. Be thoughtful in my words, says the Lord. I want you to be in peace. Be peaceful. Be peaceful. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.